In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to customer feedback and reviews on Etsy. When you sell your creations on Etsy, responding to customer feedback is a critical part of maintaining a strong relationship with your buyers. It not only shows that you value their opinions, but also helps you improve your shop's reputation. Let's dive into how you can effectively manage and respond to these feedbacks. First, start by logging into your Etsy seller account on Etsy.com. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Shop Manager. Click on it to get started. In your Shop Manager dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and select Orders and Shipping. Alternatively, you can scroll down the dashboard to find Star Seller and click on Reviews. This will guide you to where you can view the latest feedback from your customers. Next, scroll through your recent reviews until you find the one you'd like to respond to. As per Etsy's current policy, you can publicly respond to reviews with ratings of 3 stars or less. However, even if your customer leaves a glowing 4 or 5-star review, consider sending them a personal thank you message to acknowledge their positive feedback. Remember, those small gestures contribute a lot to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Once you have identified the review, look under it for the option that says Post a public response. Click on this link, and a text box will appear where you can type your reply. After crafting your message, be sure to click on Post Response to publish it. Keep in mind, once you post your comment, it will appear directly below the buyer's review and cannot be edited. So take your time to write carefully and ensure that your response is professional and clear. The tone of your response is equally important. It's essential to stay polite, calm, and focused on finding a solution even when addressing negative reviews. A positive review warrants your heartfelt thanks and expressing how much their kind words mean to you. For more neutral feedback, acknowledge their suggestions and express your intent to improve. In the case of a negative review, apologize for their experience and invite them to talk with you privately so you can resolve the issue. This not only shows your commitments to customer satisfaction, but also demonstrates your professionalism to other potential buyers who might read your replies. By maintaining a composed and welcoming tone in your responses, you help